Monument Valley is a region of the Colorado Plateau characterized by a cluster of vast sandstone buttes, the largest reaching 1,000 feet above the valley floor. It is located on the Arizona-Utah border, near the Four Corners area. The valley lies within the range of the Navajo Nation Reservation and is accessible from U.S.Highway 163. Monument Valley has been featured in many forms of media since the 1930s. Director John Ford used the location for a number of his best-known films, and thus, in the words of critic Keith Phipps, its 5 square miles have defined what decades of moviegoers think of when they imagine the American West. Geography and geology. The area is part of the Colorado Plateau. The elevation of the valley floor ranges from 5,000 to 6,000 feet above sea level. The floor is largely siltstone of the Cutler group, or sand derived from it, deposited by the meandering rivers that carved the valley. The valley's vivid red color comes from iron oxide exposed in the weathered siltstone. The darker, blue-gray rocks in the valley get their color from manganese oxide. The buttes are clearly stratified, with 3 principal layers. The lowest layer is the Organ Rock Shale, the middle is the Chelly Sandstone, and the top layer is the Moenkopi Formation capped by Shinarump Conglomerate. The valley includes large stone structures including the famed Eye of the Sun. Between 1945 and 1967, the southern extent of the monument Hapwap was mined for uranium, which occurs in scattered areas of the Shinarump Conglomerate. Vanadium and copper are associated with uranium in some deposits. Tourism. Monument Valley is officially a large area that includes much of the area surrounding Monument Valley Navajo Tribal Park, a Navajo Nation equivalent to a national park. Oljato, for example, is also within the area designated as Monument Valley. Visitors may pay an access fee and drive through the park on a 17-mile dirt road. Parts of Monument Valley, such as Mystery Valley and Hunts Mesa, are accessible only by guided tour. Climate. Monument Valley experiences a desert climate with cold winters and hot summers. While the summers may be hot, the heat is tempered by region's aridity and high altitude. Although the valley experiences an average of 54 days above 90 degrees Fahrenheit annually, summer highs rarely exceed 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Summer nights are comfortably cool, and temperatures drop quickly after sunset. Winters are cold, but daytime highs are usually above freezing. Even in the winter, temperatures below 0 degrees Fahrenheit are uncommon, though possible. Monument Valley receives an occasional light snowfall in the winter, however, it usually melts within a day or two. Panoramas. Monument Valley in the media.